Okay, what we're going to do today is a landscape, and I'm actually going to do a tearing lesson. Tearing is great practice for young kids who are pre-cutting and not able to really grip the scissors properly. And so what you can do is you can practice with them cutting. I just have a whole bunch of different scraps. It's a great lesson to do with the scraps that you collect from other lessons that you do. But when you tear with kids, a lot of times what I'll do is I'll tell them to hold it with one side of their hand, and they can use the pincher grip and just pull it down to create torn pieces of paper. And so I have a wide selection of colors. I'm going to create an apple tree, or an orange tree actually, which is a night scene, yellow moon, purple clouds. And I'm going to use some funky colors for different things because I can. And so I'm going to start off by by tearing a hill. So I have some different sizes, and I'm just going to rip it apart and glue it on. Alright. Glue this part on. I'm just going to find myself another piece of red as well to cover up the very bottom part. You can just layer the pieces. Okay, and now I'm going to use black for my tree trunk. I'm going to glue that on right there. And I'm actually going to make some branches. To go on this. So that goes there. Just glue this on. And now some green leaves. Alright, now I'm just gonna fill it up a bit. Some kids really enjoy tearing, but you have to make sure you tell them that they have to use whatever they tear. That's what I do with my class, because otherwise sometimes they'll just sit there and rip paper and rip paper, and they have a whole bunch of paper and they decide to use one or two little pieces of paper that they've torn. Okay, and I'm just going to put one more piece. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my purple and create some clouds. And then I'm going to make a yellow moon. It doesn't matter if it's not a perfect circle, obviously, because everything else has something of an abstract shape. And after you glue on the moon, I am actually going to glue on one more cloud for the side. Let's see. And I think I'm going to add some more green so that it's a little bit more even. Okay, and actually I'm going to add some oranges. There goes one, two, all right. I'm just going to add a couple more. And actually, you can even have the children make a couple oranges that have fallen on the ground. I'll put this one right here. There you go.